Welcome back to Sam Official Tech. In today's video, we're diving into the electric vehicle revolution that is reshaping the automotive industry. As concerns about climate change and fossil fuel dependency grow, electric vehicles are emerging as a sustainable alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars. In this video, we'll explore the technology behind electric vehicles, their environmental impact, market trends, and what the future holds for the automotive industry. So buckle up as we journey through the electrifying world of electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are automobiles powered entirely or partially by electricity. They utilize electric motors and rechargeable batteries instead of internal combustion engines. The primary types of EVs include all-electric vehicles, which run solely on electric power, and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles (PHEVs), which combine a conventional engine with an electric motor. This section will explore the different types of EVs and their unique features. Electric vehicles aren't a new concept. In fact, they have a rich history dating back to the 19th century. The first practical electric vehicle was built in the 1820s, but it wasn't until the late 20th century that interest in EVs began to resurface. This section will chronicle the evolution of electric vehicles, highlighting key milestones and advancements in technology that have paved the way for the modern EV industry. Understanding how electric vehicles work is crucial to appreciating their benefits. This section will explain the components of an EV, including the electric motor, battery pack, and regenerative braking systems. We'll also discuss how electricity is converted into motion, the role of charging infrastructure, and how EVs differ from traditional vehicles in terms of performance and efficiency. One of the primary motivations for the shift to electric vehicles is their potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This section will delve into the environmental benefits of EVs compared to traditional gasoline and diesel vehicles, discussing life cycle emissions, energy sources, and the importance of renewable energy in powering EVs. We'll also address common misconceptions about electric vehicles and their environmental impact. Many governments around the world are actively promoting electric vehicle adoption through incentives, tax breaks, and supportive policies. This section will explore the various incentives available for consumers and manufacturers, including rebates for purchasing EVs, grants for developing charging infrastructure, and regulations aimed at reducing emissions. We'll examine how these policies are driving the growth of the EV market. The electric vehicle market is rapidly expanding, with numerous automakers entering the space. This section will provide an overview of key players in the industry, including Tesla, Nissan, Chevrolet, and newer entrants like Rivian and Lucid Motors. We'll discuss their different approaches to EV development, market share, and how competition is shaping the future of electric vehicles. Battery technology is at the heart of electric vehicles, influencing their range, performance, and cost. This section will examine the different types of batteries used in EVs, focusing on lithium-ion batteries, solid-state batteries, and emerging technologies. We'll discuss challenges related to battery production, recycling, and the future of battery technology in enhancing EV capabilities. As the adoption of electric vehicles grows, so does the need for robust charging infrastructure. This section will explore the current state of charging networks, including home charging, public charging stations, and fast chargers. We'll discuss the challenges of scaling up infrastructure to meet growing demand and innovative solutions being implemented to enhance charging accessibility and convenience. The shift to electric vehicles has far-reaching economic implications. This section will analyze how the EV market is creating jobs, stimulating investment in green technology, and affecting traditional automotive industries. We'll also discuss the impact of EV adoption on oil markets and the broader economy as countries transition to more sustainable transportation solutions. The intersection of electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology is an exciting area of development. This section will explore how many electric vehicle manufacturers are also investing in self-driving technology, the potential benefits of combining these innovations, and the challenges faced in developing fully autonomous vehicles. We'll discuss the implications for road safety, traffic management, and urban planning. Despite the many advantages of electric vehicles, consumer perceptions and challenges remain significant barriers to widespread adoption. This section will examine common concerns, such as range anxiety, charging times, and upfront costs. We'll explore how education and awareness campaigns are helping to change perceptions and drive EV adoption. The future of electric vehicles is bright, with ongoing advancements in technology, infrastructure, and market dynamics. This section will discuss upcoming trends, such as increased range, improved battery technology, and the potential for electric commercial vehicles. We'll also speculate on how the automotive landscape may evolve over the next decade as electric vehicles become more mainstream. Electric vehicles are not just transforming personal transportation, they also have the potential to reshape urban mobility. This section will explore how EVs can contribute to sustainable urban development, reduce traffic congestion, and improve air quality. We'll discuss concepts like electric ride-sharing services, e-bikes, and their role in smart city initiatives. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, the relationship between EVs and renewable energy sources becomes increasingly important. This section will examine how integrating renewable energy, such as solar and wind, into the charging infrastructure can enhance the sustainability of electric vehicles. We'll discuss the potential for vehicle-to-grid technology and how it can contribute to a more sustainable energy ecosystem. The electric vehicle market is growing rapidly around the world, with different regions experiencing unique trends and challenges. This section will provide an overview of global EV sales, market penetration, and key players in various regions. The first practical electric vehicle was built in the 1820s, but it wasn't until the late 20th century that interest in EVs began to resurface. This section will chronicle the evolution of electric vehicles, highlighting key milestones and advancements in technology that have paved the way for the modern EV industry. Understanding how electric vehicles work is crucial to appreciating their benefits. This section will explain the components of an EV, including the electric motor, battery pack, and regenerative braking systems. We'll also discuss how electricity is converted into motion, the role of charging infrastructure, and how EVs differ from traditional vehicles in terms of performance and efficiency. One of the primary motivations for the shift to electric vehicles is their potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This section will delve into the environmental benefits of EVs compared to traditional gasoline and diesel vehicles, discussing life cycle emissions, energy sources, and the importance of renewable energy in powering EVs. We'll also address common misconceptions about electric vehicles and their environmental impact. We'll also explore the role of emerging markets in driving the future of electric mobility. As the number of electric vehicles on the road increases, so does the need to address battery recycling and disposal. This section will discuss the challenges associated with recycling lithium-ion batteries, current recycling technologies, and initiatives aimed at creating a circular economy for battery materials. We'll also explore the environmental implications of improper disposal and the importance of developing sustainable recycling practices. As we conclude our exploration of electric vehicles, it's clear that they represent a critical step toward a more sustainable and efficient future. The transition to electric mobility is not without its challenges, but the potential benefits for the environment, economy, and society are immense. As technology continues to evolve and infrastructure expands, electric vehicles will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of transportation. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the rise of electric vehicles. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Sam Official Tech for more content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest in technology and innovation. We'll see you next time as we continue exploring the exciting changes happening in the world of tech.